Okay, hi guys. Welcome back to another MSP video. And it's Potat's birthday, so I'd like you to say happy birthday. So I'm going to say happy birthday to her and she wants to say up to me. Kool-Aid. Wolf. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do the capitals. Kool-Aid. Wolf. MSP. People say my user, like the Kool-Aid is spelled wrong, but honestly, that's what I want it to be. Yeah, I know that's Skype. I'm not dumb. No, thank you. Can you go away? Can you exit out of this? Please tell me you can. No, I don't want to. Oh, there, I did it. Okay, let's see what I got. Do I have any extra thingies? I don't know. I don't have very many. I have a D-packer. I'm actually honestly greedy. Okay, yeah, I'll give her the pigtails. I never use them. There you go. Okay, so shout out to her since it's her birthday. I know many YouTubers have already done a video on this, but it's a new update. I'm not gonna go through it because you've probably already seen the videos of other YouTubers. And now we gotta make an outfit of the day. Okay, let's choose it. I think I'll go with that. Actually, I honestly want to do these shorts today. That's cute. Then other white shoes. Oh, dang it. Money! Yay! Okay, so interrupted me. And roll my outfit. So, a lot. Well, I'm going to, well, I don't know if I am, but I might be making. Oh my god, no. Jake Paul on MSP. Jake Paul plays MSP. Nah, guys, I'm just looking at stuff right now. Hacker hunting with fans virus. Oh god, no. Okay, that better be on Canada or UK or Australia, please. Yeah, that's on Australia, I'm pretty sure. Kid falls through ice. Okay, so a lot of you guys may know Ellen. Well, of course you know Ellen. Ellen is bae. Because I absolutely love Ellen. Yep. She is very funny. A lot of people do like her. Some people don't. Some people do. And that's me. A lot of people like her. Honestly. She's very sweet. I can say that. Should I do socks? No thanks. Okay, so I'll do that. My camera. No, because I get rid of my choker. Okay, I'm doing something that I thought I'd never do. Get rid of my choker in one of my outfits. I'm not going to be. No. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I don't have my choker on. Freaking out. Okay, whatever. What? 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 Why? Why? Wait, why? 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 How much money does this give me back? Because if it's like the $10 ones, I'm gonna be. I don't want to do this no more. No, thank you. No, thank you. Okay, so got that done. Okay, so let's do. No, I don't want to. Actually, let's sing happy birthday to her. Happy birthday birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear potato. Happy birthday to you. Okay, that took me half my video. Well, a minute at least. Ellen has only... Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Okay, so there's a lot of noobs here, and I think somebody's at least trying to start drama. Bunny have it? I don't know. I don't know what time it is. It's 8:34. Okay. If you guys know who Shane Dawson is, he's going through a lot of stress. I'd love you guys to like subscribe to him, leave him a nice comment, something like that. That would be really nice of you guys. I love Shane, but I am aesthetic. You should want something for doing this. Hew, 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 hew. I'm dying on the inside. My water bottle is empty, like my soul. That was deep. Torque dab. Oh, the next Miley Cyrus. Okay, this just makes me want to do a Miley Cyrus outfit now. I don't think I have. Actually, maybe, just maybe, just maybe. Just maybe. Okay, I don't know. And travel that. Oh, that's gonna take me ages. 25? Okay. I don't know. Okay, I didn't even click on that. I might have accidentally, because I was probably like covering over it accidentally. No, I don't know. Shout out to Animal Jam. Love YouTube. Go subscribe to her. Her YouTube channel is called... Actually, I want to do that. Her YouTube is called 439XW. Oh, that looks creepy. Cute. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I don't know. How's everyone doing? Okay, I have a question. I'm going to be doing the question of the day starting today. My question is, if you could have anything on MSP, anything including fame, levels, being able to create chat rooms, maybe an achievement, maybe something in the store, maybe a rare, anything, what would you have? Okay. I don't know. Look at my wish list. Honestly, I don't think I even have a wish list. I do, but I don't want any of that stuff. I honestly want a drip top. Honestly, I think it's in the bubble pop one. Yeah, right here. I'll show you. I think everyone knows what a drip top is, but I'll show you what color. Not the booger color. Well, the color I'm wearing because it looks like a booger. Right there. Yeah, no. I like the orange in the drip top. Like, I really like it. The orange drip top, the light drip top, or There's the one blue I really like. This drip top. This color drip top. Or just white, but yes, that looks cute. And then you change that to black so you can still see like the drips and stuff. Drip drop, drippity drop. Something like that, that's good. And okay, so I wasted all my diamonds because I gave people some like greets and stuff. So I wasn't able to get this, sadly. I really want this hair. It's really cute. Okay, I don't honestly, it looks really bad in like the brown colors and stuff. So if you're suggesting on getting this hair, do not get it in brown unless you really like the brown and you can make it look good. This brown is, okay, never mind. I was gonna say decent, but never mind. Why did I put that on? So, the fake drip pants. I actually want the drip pants to come soon. They better be coming soon. I wonder if there's hidden drip pants. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, guys, I'm going to do that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment the thing you most want in MSP. And I will have to say goodbye, my little eggplant to use. My brother will be making the next video. Goodbye, eggplants.